How to complete identity verification. What is identity verification? Identity verification, or Know Your Customer (KYC), is designed to protect users' accounts against the misuse of financial accounts such as fraud, corruption, money laundering, and terrorist financing. Why do I need to complete identity verification? Binance requires users to complete identity verification to increase their account security. You can enjoy a higher limit of your Binance account after verifying. How to complete identity verification. Log into your Binance account and click User Center Identification. Here, you can see Verified, Verified Plus, and Enterprise Verification and their respective deposit and withdrawal limits. The limits vary for different countries. You can change your country by clicking the button next to Residential Country Region. Click Start Now to verify. Select your country of residence. Please ensure that your country of residence is consistent with your ID documents. You will then see the list of verification requirements for your specific country or region. Click Continue. Enter your personal information. Please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. You won't be able to change it once confirmed. Next, you will need to upload pictures of your ID documents. Please choose the type of ID and the country your documents were issued. Follow the instructions to upload photos of your document. Your photos should clearly show the full ID document. For example, if you're using an ID card, you have to take photos of the front and back page of your ID card. After uploading the document photos, the system will ask for a selfie. After that, you need to complete face verification. Please do not wear hats, glasses, or use filters, and make sure that the lighting is sufficient. Alternatively, move your mouse to the QR code on the bottom right to complete the verification on the Binance app instead. Scan the QR code via your app to finish the face verification process. After completing the process, please wait patiently. Once your application has been verified, you will be notified. Secure your Binance account today to enjoy higher limits.